Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do another look from my 5-part series with the Be Perfect Carnival XL Pro palette, and I hope you've been enjoying the series so far. We are now on look number 3 out of 5, so if you've not watched the other 2 before this video, go to them videos at the end of this video. Like and subscribe if you liked this video and any of my other videos and want to see more of me. Also hit that bell button down below to know every time that I post you get a notification, so hit the bell button, and follow my Instagram where I post looks every single day, nearly. If you want to know how I got this bronze brown smoky eye goodness, then please keep watching. Okay, so I've already primed my eyes and today we're going to do a warm smoky eye, but today we're going to stick with the neutrals. So I'm going to take the shade Hall, which is a dark brown, and also Intuition. So I'm going to mix these two browns together just to give, so it's not too cool and it's not too warm at the same time. And I'm just going to buff this in with an M506 from Morphe. And just like the last couple tutorials, I'm just going to map out my shape that I want it in right at the beginning, so then it blends out much easier. So I'm just mapping that out in a circular eye motion at the top here. And I'm actually going to drag that down to the whole eyelid as well. I'm then going to go in with Lights Out, which is a black with an E18 brush. It's not like a powerful black, extreme black, so this is more like on the brown side of a black, to be honest. So we're just going to go in lightly with Lights Out. And I'm literally just going to do the same with Lights Out as I did with the brown colours and map this out directly on top of these colours, only on the outer edge. So now that we've done that, I'm just going to take Hall by itself, so that's a warm brown, with the M506, and I'm just going to start blending that outwards now, and I'm not taking this out too far at all, I'm just slightly blending it out. So now I'm going to take Basic, which is an even lighter brown, and it's more on the warm brown side as well, with an M518 brush, and this is just a fluffy brush. And I'm just going to start blending that out as well, just round the outer edge, so we're just trying to blow this out now with the shape that we've already created. So I'm actually going to dip in a slight tiny bit into Keen, the shade Keen, and it's a bright yellow, and I'm just going to start blending this on the very outer edge. I don't want to use a white or a cream to blend it out because I don't want it to lose the warmness of the brown, so I'm just going to do this with a really light hand. And then after that we've got that slight yellow coming through, I'm going to go into the shade Pillow Talk, and it's just a cream shade. So now we can start to blend out that yellow to make it more muted. And I'm going in with an M504, it's a big fluffy brush. Okay, so I've decided I want a pop of shimmer as well, because I feel like I've just been doing matte looks, so I wanted to add a pop of shimmer. But you can leave the look how it was as well and just pop on a pair of lashes, but I wanted to add some shimmer to it, so I'm just dipping into Gold Luxe and Over It, and these two are highlights, so these are actually face highlights for darker skin tones, but I didn't want to use these two shimmers because this is more of a muted antique gold, and this is a copper, so I wanted something more brown, like brown toned, so I'm using these darker skin tone highlights. So I'm just going into these two, and I've just popped it on the middle here and just faded that out. It's not got much of a shape or anything to it. It's literally, I've just popped it on with my finger. And then to deepen that up, because I want the shimmer to stand out, I'm just going to add a deeper sort of colour to these areas here. I'm just going to dip into over it with the M506 brush as well, and I'm just going to dab that in. It's bringing just a little bit of depth into it. I could probably add a bit more because I'm that extra, but I'm just going to leave it here and leave it as a simpler smoky eye, and I'm just going to add some lashes and do the rest of my eyes and face, and then I will be back to do my highlight. Okay, so I've just done the rest of my face and I'm just going to do my highlight on camera. I know my under eyes look a bit crazy right now because I've got really light concealer on, and we'll fix that just in a second when I put eyeshadow on. So for the rest of the eyes, we're literally just going to mirror what we've done on the top. So I'm just going to take the M506 again and dip into lights out. So we're just going to mirror it the opposite way. So I'm just going to take this right under the eye. So now I'm going to take Intuition and Haul, which is the darker browns we started with, and I'm just going to dust that directly on top of Lights Out. So now I'm going to take the Morphe M518 and I'm going to go into Basic again. And now I'm going to take Keen again on that brush. It's just an Amazon brush. And I'm just going to dust the yellow right round the edge. So now for highlight, I'm going to take my Sleek Makeup Mono Highlighter like I normally do, and it's the shade Solstice Equinox. And I'm just going to dust that everywhere I want highlight. I'm just going to take my KIKO Magnetic Impact eyeshadow, and it's in the shade 02, but I can't find a name. But the shade number is 02, and it's like a really high gold, like it's really gold. And I do like this because it's not too glittery, so it won't look glittery on your cheeks. So I'm just going to take my Morphe M510 brush and dip that into the eyeshadow and use this as an extra highlight, and I'm only going to use this on the top of my cheekbones. And now I'm going to take my blush brush and just blow that out. So I'm just going to blend that together to make sure that the highlight doesn't have any harsh lines. So I actually forgot to put lashes on. So I'm going to use the Pound lashes in the style High Maintenance. And I really like these lashes. They're quite full, but they're not too over dramatic, so I'm just going to put them on just now. Okay, so I put on these lashes called High Maintenance from Pound Lashes, and these were only £1.99 if I'm not mistaken, or £1. So I have a Pound lash review up with these lashes, so go check that out after this video. And I have a good review with amazing quality lashes, and they're so affordable, so check that out as well. I'm also going to go into Lights Out from the Be Perfect Carnival XL Pro palette, and I'm going to be using an M213 brush. It's tiny brush, and I'm just going to be going on the rim of my waterline and lash line. So I'm just going to be doing that to deepen up the eye. for lips, I went in with MORPHE matte lipstick, and I absolutely love the packaging for this. This is so beautiful, like so beautiful. So it says MORPHE on it, and it's black matte packaging, and it's the Mega Matte lipstick in the shade Kissy Face, and it's literally just a sort of really light peach nude sort of colour. Really like this colour. And this is mega matte. Like, this is so matte. I don't think it would budge off your lips very easily at all. And next I went in with MORPHE lip gloss in the shade Solo Artist on top of that. And this is just a nude sort of lip gloss with gold flecks. So it does look yellow in the tube, but it's only because it has loads of gold flecks in it. But it is pretty much a clear gloss with gold flecks. Okay, so this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I really love this look. If you want me to do a more neutral toned down look, then I can do that as well. I will probably do that in my next tutorial. Actually planning on doing a matte smoky eye, just like for the purpose of it's very versatile, but I really wanted to add a pop of shimmer. So I really hope you enjoyed this makeup look, and let me know if you recreate this look. If you do, tag me in my Instagram, it will be linked below as well. Let me know what your favourite part of this look is as well. Comment down below your favourite. So far this is my most wearable look, along with the soft glam look I did as my first video. If you've not seen that, check it out here, and let me know if you want me to do more wearable looks. If you want more colourful looks, then I can do that for you. As always, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and got any information, any new information about doing makeup looks. Also, watch any other makeup tutorials up here that I have linked here and linked at the end of this video. Let me know if you are gaining any information on doing makeup. Just remember to subscribe and turn those post notifications on as well. And I will see you on Wednesday for another review. Bye!